Most people, the idea of getting around on a flying car seems possible only in the distant future. But in China, that reality may not be so far away. The government is encouraging the growth of what it calls the low-altitude economy, aircraft that fly below 1,000 meters. This EHang electric vehicle is the first in the world to be certified by a national aviation authority for commercial use.
With the gradual popularization of low-altitude flights, this type of air taxi will become widespread. It will become a daily mode of transportation, a lifestyle to enjoy.
It takes off and lands vertically, no runway required. And in this case...
So it's like more like a helicopter then. It sounds like it's more like a helicopter than a I mean, I was going to say plane, but no, it's a flying car, which would be like a mini would you call it a mini helicopter? You know how they have, like if you go to the supermarket, right? Or to like a pizza place and they have those personal pan pizzas. So this is like you can get the full pizza for your family or you can get a personal pizza, right? So you can get a personal helicopter. So you have the big helicopter or you have your personal tiny little helicopter.
No pilot. That means I can try it myself. The interior is simple, 2 seats and a navigation screen. The route is pre-programmed. In case of emergency, there's a button I can press to communicate with the operators on the ground, and a small fire extinguisher. But before I could ask about a parachute,
here we go!
I was off.
Oh, we're going up. Going up. I'm not gonna look down. Am I gonna look down?
This air taxi can travel at speeds of up to 90 kilometers an hour for 130 kilometers. It's quite a view, but a little unnerving not having controls. The company says automation reduces accidents caused by human error. But if you prefer to drive,
I'll try to teach you how to fly this.
So it looks like a drone. It's like a blend of it's a drone. It is not a helicopter. It is a drone. It is a bigger drone that can fit a human in it. Has a bunch of those little quad copter thingies, the wings and the rotating stuff. It's basically a big human drone. So it's not a flying car. It's a drone. Like it's a drone that a human can ride in. That is. So maybe when we were thinking about flying cars back in the days, we were just thinking of, because for me, the way that I saw flying cars, right? Here's how I saw flying cars. And you guys let me know if this is how you envision flying cars too, right? Where they didn't have like a little helicopter or a quadcopter. They had like fire boosters, like how the rockets have the boosters, where it would come from the bottom. So instead of like rolling, it would lift, it would elevate them up, and then it can make them go forward, right? But it's not like the little spinning thing is, because that is just a helicopter or a drone. That is not a flying car. So I take offense to this. I take offense.
How dare you?
A flying car does not have the little wings and rotators and stuff. It elevates, like you turn it on, it goes, and the jets fire up and they go up and then they can go forward, backwards, all that good stuff. And they go faster than 90 kilometers per hour. How fast is 90 kilometers? What's my US numbers? 90 kilometers. 2 miles. 55 miles an hour. 55 miles an hour? What? 50? That's too slow. That is too slow for a flying car. Too slow. I want my flying car with a Hemi in it. I want my flying car with a Hemi to go 250 miles per hour in the air with rockets and with a supercharger. That, to me, that is a flying car. Not this quadcopter fitting a human being in it. No. Right? I will not accept this.
In less than a minute.
There are other options. The firm Airidge is waiting for regulatory approval for its land aircraft carrier, which can be automated or controlled.
What is that? What is that bag there? What is that car back there? That looks like a knockoff, like a mini knockoff of a Cybertruck. But no, what is this thing? I need better lighting. Hold on.
Controlled using a driving stick. The flying vehicle is stored and transported inside this van, the ground unit.
You can store it in your own personal parking space. You can drive it with your own personal passenger driving license to, say, some scenic sites, and you can charge it, use this ground unit to charge the aircraft for up to 6 times, so you can fly freely without worrying about the infrastructure.
And the cost? One of these will set you back $300,000 to $400,000. So far, EHang's biggest customer.
$300,000 to $400,000 for a personal mini helicopter? That's not too bad. That is not a bad deal. $300,000 to $400,000. Hold on one second. Let me see. Let's go over to here. How much to buy a helicopter? Because I can't say a drone because you can't fit a human in a drone. Or can you? Buying a helicopter costs anywhere from $100,000 for a basic kit or older model, used model like a Robinson R22, R44 to several $1 million advanced turbine models like a Bell 429 or Airbus H135 with luxury helicopters reaching $30 million. What? Okay, so how about a drone? How much for a drone a human can ride in? Let's see if that exists. Do they have drones that humans ride in? A personal human carrying drone, eVTOL, costs anywhere from $100,000. So, okay, all right. So this exists? Hold on. Jetson One around $92K to. Does this really exist? All right, hold. Have you guys heard about this? eVTOL, a human carrying. All right, let me see. Hold up. 13 manned passenger drones and drone taxis that carry humans. Where do they do that at? Hold up. Let me see. The 40,000 passenger carrying drone you can buy online. Are you serious? Are you guys kidding me here? Oh, ew, that's disgusting. That's just disgusting. No. I want this one. Jetson One. That one looks better. That one looks way better. But I still like the first one. Who makes this one? I want this one. This is the one that I want. I don't like that one. I want this one. Hold on. Who makes this one over here? Don't like that one. Don't like that one. Don't like that one. Don't like that one. That one isn't bad. Don't like this. Is just a little plain. I don't like that one. That one I don't like either. That's the one that I want. CityAirbus passenger drone. All right, let's take a look at this one. CityAirbus passenger drone cost. That one is going to run you, has not announced a specific price for the CityAirbus next gen eVTOL aircraft. Listed to approximately 331,000. I want one of those. Okay, that's the one that I want. I want the CityAirbus. This isn't new. This already exists. These are not flying cars. They're just drones, and a manned drone already exists. So I don't know what they're talking about in this video. Let's finish it up though.
Customers are tourism companies and governments using them for policing and firefighting. But experts say this is just the beginning. As long as you can conquer your fear of heights, the sky's the limit. Katrina Yu, Al Jazeera, Hefei, China.
We did it. I did it.
Don't miss out. Get the full picture. Subscribe.
Thank you, Junior. See, I tried to do a new muted thing, and it's. I'm just gonna go back to my normal muting. Thank you though. I was saying that I want one of those. I want an eVTOL. I want the one that I saw. I do still think that there is space for flying cars where they rise up for the jets on the bottom, and then the tires come out as well. Like they flip down. And it should also be able to drive in the car, and it should be able to go at least 150 miles per hour. That's what I want, all right?
They think the machine never break. Sometimes the battery hit red. I ain't stopping, I'm just rebooting. Why the bounce back? Go! Go! Eyes heavy like I'm lifting weight with my eyelid. Brain foggy, feeling like I'm stranded on an island. Coffee pot empty and the energy is silent. Fighting with the demons in my head, getting violent. Staring at the screen, but the progress isn't moving. Spinning on the wheels, tell me what am I proving? Body aching, back breaking, losing all the grooving. Every single step feels like I'm just losing. Working 24, but the needle barely nudging. Feel like I'm a hammer, but the wall isn't budging. Burning creepy, yeah, the shadow is a trudging. Doubters on the sideline, yeah, they always judging. Is it worth the stress? Is it worth the hypertension? Did I make the turn? Did I lose the dimension? Need a little break, need a little intervention. Before I crash out and I lose the retention. When I'm feeling fried, sucker to your sizzling. Vision getting blurry and the rain start drizzling. Also feeling heavy, motor vision and fizzling. Waiting for the steak, but I don't hear the sizzling. But I can't quit, now I can't to the flag. Even when I'm dragging and I'm feeling like a rag. Got too many gold packed inside the bag. Gotta push through even when I hit the lag. Just need a minute, just need to close the blinds. Disconnect the server, disconnect the lines. Lay the head down, let the body unwind. So I can wake up and get back on the grind. I'm burned out, but I ain't bowed out. No, just need a nap, then I'm back on the route. Told her high for a second, shut the world out. Wake up a beat, scream and shout. I can let them see me lose, I can give them that. They waiting on the crumble, waiting on the splat. My job is too big, yeah, I'm taking it back. Just a power nap, then I'm back on attack. They sitting in the stands with a popcorn ready. Praying at my knees, buckle, hoping I ain't steady. Wanna see the downfall, wanna see it messy. Wanna see me crash like a stolen Chevy. I see the side eyes, hear the whispers in the dark. Waiting for the flame to extinguish the spark. They wanna see the dog loot a bite in the bark. But I'm a gray white swimming like a shark. If I quit now, man, I win the whole game. If I slow down, they gon' tarnish the name. Gotta feed the fire, gotta feed the flame. Satisfaction that they seek is a damn shame. I ain't gon' give it to them, never gon' fold. Story of my fair is a story never told. My desire to win is worth my goal. Bigger than the hate that they tryna hold. So I take a rest, yeah, I hit the pillow hard. Reboot the system, pull the ace from the car. Keep the haters locked out, stand in the yard. While I recharge the battery and lower down the guard. Just for an hour, let the new runs reset. Wake up cleaner than I ever been yet. Ready for the war, ready for the threat. Gonna make them pay every single little debt. They want me to crumble, they want me to crack. But I bounce back like a rubber on the track. Sleep is the weapon, get the mind intact. Then I hit the gas, never looking back. I'm burned out, but I ain't bowed out. No, just need a nap, then I'm back on the route. Close the eyes for a second, shut the world out. Wake up a beat, scream and shout. I can let them see me lose, I can give them that. They waiting on the crumble, waiting on the splat. My drive is too big, yeah, I'm taking it back. Just a power nap, then I'm back on attack. Okay, I'm up now, white across the eye. Looking in the mirror, no more disguise. Demon on my shoulder, yeah, he finally died. Energy is peaking, reaching for the sky. Thought I was dumb and you must be crazy. Thought the burnout meant that I was getting lazy. Vision was blurry, now it ain't hazy. Pushing up Daisy, now I'm pushing Mercedes. Word didn't change, but the mind stay with flip. Got a new Meg and I put in a clip. Haters looking sick, yeah, they starting to trip. Watching me instant while they sinking in the ship. Progress was slow, now I'm moving like speed. Planting whole force when I planted the seed. Satisfy the want, satisfy the need. Made the competition turn around and bleed. I do it for the win, I don't do it for the likes. Coming up the mountain while you riding on trikes. Heading for the top, yeah, I'm planning the strikes. Running up the score, yeah, I'm racking up strikes. Turning the engine, failure's not an option. Turning every obstacle into adoption of a new method. Yeah, I'm swapping and I'm copying. Only thinking is the records that I'm popping. Burnout was a lie, it was just a little test. Put a head down, got a little bit of rest. Now I'm back stronger, pounding on the chest. Put me to the trial and I asked the question. Yeah, I'm wide awake now. You shouldn't have blinked. I can let them see me lose. My drive is bigger, be a head, be bigger than a hate. Back, better work, 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 better work. Let's get it. 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 Ho get it. Ho get it. Ho get it.